Okay, here I have something else also. This is a pot. It is written cookware stainless steel, but remember it is also written induction bottom. So those are the things to check. Now I just finished doing my ugali here with my induction cooker. Okay, and I've just cleaned it up. I want to do some eggs. So the ugali is still very hot, and it's just cooking itself inside. So, and this one is still very hot also. Just so I want to do some eggs here. So let's put some oil. I have my oil, have some salt, some 2 eggs. Just want to make some so just a snack for the morning. And I'll just put my oil in there. This is a pan that is also induction ready, and it is also coated with Teflon. Okay, so I like my eggs anyway how just well cooked. So I'll just put it to about 600 watts, no, 1000 watts, and as this one is heating up, it's actually heating up. You can even hear the hissing sound. Let's have a look at what the inverter is reading. So I come to this other room here. I'm still in the bush, and the inverter is reading 1072 watts at 25 volts. That's the battery. That's my 8S. That's here, my LiFePo, and I'm inverting to from 25.7 to 220 volts. Yeah, so back quickly to the pot so that it doesn't burn up, and it is burning up. Just put it off. See, it's even smoking. So I can't put my eggs now. I have to wait for it to at least cool down so that I don't burn my eggs. So, but I can put some like maybe I can put some black pepper. Okay, let me cool this pot down. It's too hot. Let me I'll just put some water on this. This is not induction ready pot. Just put some water. And then below it, I'll just put this one on top of it just to cool it down. Yeah, something like that. That's a bit better. Okay, turn it back to the induction cooker and put it on. Let's put some eggs on it. Like that. Also put another one. Doing some shells dropped inside and remove the shells. One and this other one. Not so good at this. I don't have a helpmate yet. God will bring one soon. Then I put my induction cooker on, put it at 600 watts, 2 lights. There we go. Take a spoon. Just beat it a bit. Yeah, I like my eggs well cooked. And put some salt on it. And then also put some black pepper just on top like that. Sometimes I put some onions on top, but for now this is just enough. And then maybe some curry powder. Yeah, something like that. Put on top. So my inverter on the other room, it is doing its thing over there, somewhere there. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one there. And my screen is also on. Now that smells nice. Especially when you put the curry powder, it just smells nice. So yeah. And we cook and have some snack and a bit of ugali. And here I also have another pot. It has got milk. I've put milk. I want to make some tea, milk and water. Then I'll heat it again with my induction cooker here. Do some cocoa, some drinking chocolate, Cadbury's, and sugar. Then we have something we can eat, and there are no bills, just returning my investment on solar. Okay, here I have my small fridge. At the moment it is at -2, so I'm using all of them simultaneously. It doesn't have much, I think. It has some water and some maize and beans that I had cooked some time back. Yeah, good. So this one is doing fine. Just punch around. And I think we will be okay now. Close my salt there and return my spices and make a small shelf. Yeah, so still building this place. It's my big shelf here. Just a small, just something simple, just organize stuff. Yeah, this is okay now. I can put it off. Yeah, and I'm good to go. See you guys later.